Have you ever wondered why some foundations cost more than other foundations, even though they have the same layouts, building plans? Yes, certain foundations will cost more than others, even though they are having the same building plan. For example, we have this foundation here for our blueprint A. So for this foundation, we chained the entire blueprint of the foundation. We chained it with a total of 30 length of 12 mm rods and 12 length of 8 mm rods. For the same blueprint B, we didn't chain the entire blueprint of the foundation. We only chained the external walls of this foundation, which in turn used 15 length of 12 mm rods and 5 length of 8 mm rods. So you can see the difference with different methods of construction, which in turn affects cost. So for the one we chained the entire blueprint of the foundation, the reason being that the soil texture of that place is a bit porous. That's why we had to chain it, and also the load bearing capacity of the soil is low. So we also chain blueprint like this if they are to carry other loads apart from a one-story building or a two-story building is supposed to be placed on it. So for the blueprint B, if you have a good soil structure, we are just going to chain only the external walls, and mostly we do this for residential building. So if the soil is good, we are just going to chain the external walls, and then the internal walls are going to be left at it is. So depending on the type of soil and depending on the load that is going to place on the building, that is what determines the cost of your foundation. So if you have a good soil that is stable, some certain foundations can be used, like the one that the internal structure is not chained but the external is chained. That is a strip foundation. So if you have sometimes a weaker soil, raft foundation, which is the option A, will be used where the entire blueprints will be chained. And also if you are going to have multiple stories or multiple structures resting on it, you see that you have to chain the entire structure. So when we are doing building designs and construction, it's always advisable to do a soil test so that you know exactly what type of foundation that is suitable for your piece of land and for the building you want to build. So if you have any building plan, building design you want to look at for the type of foundation you need, kindly give us a call on WhatsApp or directly. The number is on the screen. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.